Project number 1 is a small bird feeder. All you need is 2 bamboo skewers, some tying wire and a plastic bottle. The first thing you need to do is get your bottle cap and a piece of wire. Whatever length you want is fine. Just make sure you have enough so that you can hang it from something high. Use the awl to poke a hole through the top of the bottle cap. This is where you'll pass the wire that will be used to hang the bird feeder later. I made a loop in the top of the piece of wire. I passed the bottom through the bottle cap and wrapped around a piece of the bamboo skewer so that it couldn't pass back through the hole in the bottle cap. Using the tip of the knife, poke 2 holes straight across from each other in the top and the bottom of the bottle. This is where you'll pass the bamboo skewer through to act as a perch for the birds that come to feed at the bird feeder. Don't be a dummy like me and have your hand directly behind the blade while you're poking the holes. Just in case it passes through the bottle, it could accidentally go into your hand. When you're finished making the holes, pass the bamboo skewer through them. I used the wire cutters on the Leatherman Surge to trim the purchase to length. Be careful your Mark 1 eyeballs don't get skewered by pieces of flying bamboo, because these bits went everywhere. Carefully make some triangular holes about 1 inch over each perch. The birds will be able to access the food inside the feeder through these holes. Trim off the excess pieces of plastic. And now admire your work. Hang the bird feeders up high and somewhere safe to help protect the birds from predators. It may take a few days before birds start feeding because they may be suspicious of the bird feeders at first. It took about 2 days before any birds came to my feeders. I set up a GoPro in front of the bird feeders and got some nice footage of this bird as it came and went throughout the day. If you like the Leatherman that I used in this video, check out the review I made a few weeks back. I'll link it in the description below. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe.